Hey, my name is Battlefield. I wanted to talk to you guys because there's a concept that Young Cirque's video reminded me of. The video asked a question: if you could kill Jerry Sandusky, a convicted child molester, a long time ago, would you have done it? This makes me think about a lot of pre-crime, crime think, Minority Report, that kind of thing. But I answered that I wouldn't, and that's because this raises the issue of free will. I personally believe that humans have free will. This is a personal belief and not everyone shares this, but I do. So I think that Jerry Sandusky or any other person who would have done a bad thing in the future has an option if they would have done so, and that their future experiences might guide this. Now, you might say that instead of killing Jerry Sandusky, you would talk to Penn State, have them have more stringent enforcement of precautions against child molestation. But let's say you can't do that. Would you kill Hitler or someone like that who did something very bad in the future? Now, I think this is tricky because it affects both that person's personality and the situation that they're in the future. So, even if that person necessarily wouldn't have done it, if the temptations of that position or something that goes along with it would have persuaded them to, then it isn't necessarily their choice. So I don't believe this was the case with Jerry Sandusky, because having a shower with students doesn't make you want to molest them. I'm just saying there might be some crime of opportunity or external force or temptation. For instance, Hitler, he had a predisposition against Jews, but he was also the ruler of a country that was anti-Semitic and needed a scapegoat for many of its problems. So, in the same way, if someone else would have risen to power instead of Hitler, they might have started the Holocaust. So, you don't necessarily want to kill a person. It depends both on their personality and the factors that go into what's going on. But you can't know for sure. All you can do is try and do the right thing. Make the world a better place, prevent people from killing other people, the Holocaust, yada yada yada. And by making the world a better place, I mean making an effort to change people's personalities by setting a good example and trying to change the world by making a positive social difference.